Look who,
Last thing you need is another eye.
look who decided to FaceTime me this morning, guys. So do you need something, ma'am?
Do I need something? Thought you wanted to see, New Haven.
Oh,
What it looks like. Look at that.
look at that. You got a patio. That's why I know you rich.
This is my
Shit.
grandma's house.
I know y'all rich.
Whatever. It's where I used to play when I was little.
That's where you used to play when you was little? That's fantastic. Oh, look at the depth of field. That shit is crazy. For real, like, it's focusing on the phone and it's blurring out the background. It's like fucking amazing. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, let me. So you know it's all about like hustling in Michigan and stuff, right? Watch this. Hustling, boy. Making that cash. Ice cold water. Look at them selling ice cold water. Hey! Put you on my YouTube channel. It's all about the hustle out here, boy. Everybody gotta make their cash. Hello. Doing it big. Alright guys, so I just got off work. And this dude still ain't even cashed me out yet, you know what I'm saying? And I'm getting real irritated about this. So I'm about to show you guys what's going on in here real quick. And I got one of my coworkers staring at me over there. His name's Lorenzo. You probably can't see him, but he's in there. Act like he never seen somebody vlogging before. And he subscribed to me on my YouTube channel. What's going on, Greg? They still ain't cash you out either, Greg? Not yet. It's my man's Lorenzo right here. He
Following it on Twitter, Instagram, @TheRealYungZo. Anyway, yeah, follow your man.
The Real Young Zo? Yeah, man. I'll give you a shout out. Just text me your name. I'll put it up. I'll put it up in the link. All right, guys. I'm about to go to the Sprint store real quick. See what my peeps over there are doing. Make y'all see what's going on over here real quick. Yeah, I see them in there. This my people right here, man. Man, what's up, man? You ain't gonna say what up to my subscribers, man?
What up, man? What up, though?
What up, doe?
We out here.
The best Sprint store in the world. Doing it big. Doing it big. You know they take care of people when you come to this location.
We the top. Top of the world, baby.
That's what we say, top of the world. Yeah, man. But I didn't know. I started vlogging and stuff on my like YouTube channel, so I'm trying to make that grow. You're not that interesting. Come on, Greg. You're a person, man.
Take a picture of somebody interesting.
You are interesting, Greg.
I don't know who.
Hey, Greg, what you got to say to the camera? You just gonna pull off on me like that, Greg?
I just bought a Canon bed sheet and
Canon bed sheets.
pillowcase.
Canon bed sheets and the people that make the cameras are
pillowcase.
they're different companies, Greg.
I don't know. They're
All right, Greg.
Canon.
Just wave to the camera. Wave bye. You can't wave bye, Greg.
I wanted to cash out. I'm gonna leave because I gotta be back at 5 o'clock.
All right, Greg.
Oh, this nigga, you happy? You happy? You got that camera on?
Yeah, man, I'm real happy.
I seen this shit. People be on what?
Yeah, he been know about that. He in the vlog. Hey, what's up, subscribers? Say what up to your man's Ryan.
Subscribe to me, Ralu5292.
Hey, stop playing for people to subscribe to you, bro.
Free Cam, free Alex. You feel me?
Hey, man.
My daddy.
None of that game banging stuff on my page.
Hey, bro.
You rest in peace with free Alex. Free little Alex.
Work at this plan?
Yeah, I'm trying to work at a plan with you, Ryan.
Shit, bro.
What's up?
Damn, that
Hear
bitch
that?
cold.
Ryan said, am I trying to work at a plan with us? What a plan?
Hey, man, I make
What's the information?
$12.45 an hour, man. Get paid every Friday. About almost $900 a week, man.
Bro,
Overtime.
They trying to go there. They trying to hire you.
See what I'm talking about? That's what you do. When you got real friends, they hook you up. Try to get jobs for you, try to better your life. And I need that because I need better equipment for you guys.
She a rider. She a rider. She a rider. She a rider.
just got to the store and can't give me problems already. But what's wrong with this guy, man?
Hey, look, this is not vlog material. Look, man.
Hey, what happened to all the games, people? Hey, Kane, what happened to all the games that was on the shelf over here?
Lame ass rappers remind me of CB4. I fuck with you, but don't trust you now.
He taking games home and shit. I ain't gonna tell nobody though. Alright, so me and this dude just got the Dairy Queen.
You gonna be vlogging when you in your casket?
And he being a ham. Alright, watch this. We at Dairy Queen right now. Man, shut up, man. Man, shut your mouth. Dairy Queen doing it big. Let's see what's good on the menu. Hey man, chill out, bro. That look nasty. That look alright. That look disgusting. So can I film what's going on in there? Oh, that's messed up.
He trying to vlog everything. Stop feeding that nigga.
So you already know I gotta find out what this dude doing. So let me go do it because y'all know I do it for the vlog. Watch this shit over here. Watch this shit. Look at this. Look at this, people. How you doing, man?
Good, yourself?
Good, sir. Good, good. Yeah, man, hit it up. Downtown Detroit. Ken is a ham. You about to go party without me?
God.
Do it for the vlog.
I'm going to fuck you, baby.
I do it for the vlog. Trabas said that tonight.
Shabba.
Yo, Trabas, you know, say I'm a #1 inspiration. So if one of your fans them say this, big up for Trabas. Trabas TV vlogs. Okay, I know him do it for the vlog.
Make
Anting. Yeah, the Sweetwater Taverns right here, boy. Doing it big. They got the best chicken down to. Oh my God, there go the cops. Vlog is over. All right, man. So we parked up downtown, waiting for this girl to come pick Ken up.
Right.
Talking about you want to go turn up without.
I'm about to get fucked up, man.
He want to go turn up without your boy, so you already know.
We about to get trippy, man.
But I can't do that because I do it for the vlog. All right, so we just got out the car and I parked kind of horrible right there, and Ken act like he got a problem, man. I don't know what this problem is. And we got a little tour bus. Hey. No.
Who are you?
I am your father. I didn't tell you? I'm sorry. So this is downtown Detroit. One of my vlogs, dog, I didn't even realize somebody's on the wall over there. That's kind of creepy. See that? The GM building over there.
Lay up,
Lay up what? You ain't laying up nothing, boy. Shut your mouth.
Boy.
Wait, what? Where the moves at? Where the moves at? Yeah, man, you gonna see it, but it's Sweetwater Tavern, you know.
What you about to get from here?
Great place. I don't know. Let's go take a look at the menu, bro. See what's going on in here. Let's see what's good. Alright guys, so I'm finally leaving downtown. And yeah, I have nothing up for today, so well, for the rest of the night. So yep, probably just about to go home, play the game, chill out. So I'm about to just head home now. Yeah, man, that smell was horrible. God, like something died or something, man. But yeah, I have nothing up, and hope you guys have a good night. If it's nighttime, wherever you guys are at now, hope you guys have a good night or a good day, or good morning, whatever. Yeah, I do it for the vlog. Hello. All right, so I just got home. Just got some juice, and Max is eating because he's like, I don't know if he's starving or something, but yeah. Hey. Come on, let's go.